This machine is really hard to get your hands on. So since I do, let me show you 2 things you didn't know about. We've talked to maintenance techs, fabrication repair guys, contractors, welding entrepreneurs. And we listened. We put everything you asked for in this machine. When you see a good-looking yellow machine, you know it's us. We've really thought about this. From the tiniest little screw to the complex heat dissipation system inside, to keep it running for many years. And if you ever need to get inside for any maintenance, you have the easy access to the engine through the fully removable doors. And with just a few screws, you can get access to the generator and battery on the back side of it. Let me tell you this, the software on this machine is so good, it took us 1,234 hours to develop, don't check our math, across 5 different continents, and still as easy as operating your smartphone. Also, including complete support and troubleshooting material in the maintenance section, where you can find all details about equipment status and get periodic alerts and warnings to replace engine wears and spares ahead of time before you get surprised by any unforeseen technical problems. Let us know in the comments if you still have any questions. Otherwise, go check our next Ruffian 270 videos. See you in the next one.